Hi train friends, welcome to the Ozark Midland Southern Railway. I'm Bill B. It has seemed like a long road, but today we're going to get the two tunnels that we created permanently installed on the layout. So grab your hard hat and we'll head over to the site of tunnel number 1 and get started. Here we go. As you can see, I have already outlined the location of tunnel number 1. Before we get started, I want to give viewers unfamiliar with the OMNS a brief overview of the locations of the two tunnels we will be installing. This is the bridge loop, one of the railroad's two reverse loops. From the site of tunnel number 1, the main line continues west. Here are the two remote-controlled switches I installed in the last video. We continue and cross over the temporary girder bridge and arrive at the location of tunnel number 2. If I had not already done so, the first task would be to check the condition of the track and the electrical connectivity to ensure there will not be any problems once the tunnel is permanently installed. You can see where I have soldered small jumpers connecting the pieces of track together. With the electrical connectivity assured, I turn my attention to prepping the area that will be inside the tunnel, and here are the materials I'll be using. The dark gray material in the open container is some grout that will be used to vary the color of the soil within the tunnels. With the soil and ballast in place, we now only have to wait for the glue to dry. But luckily, though, we have tunnel number 2 already prepped and ready for installation. Here I'm flipping over tunnel number 2 in order to apply some hot glue to its base. It is hard to tell here, but I have marked precisely where the tunnel will be placed over the track. Then I apply some more hot glue to both sides to better attach the tunnel to the layout. As we go along with the placement of our tunnel, it is important to frequently test to make sure the railroad's longest and tallest rail cars have adequate clearance. I've created some polyurethane foam strips that I'm now using to further secure our tunnel to the layout. For a detailed explanation of the process for creating the foam strips, please refer to part 1 of this 4-part series on building an O-gauge tunnel, or see Eric's Train's tutorial on the subject. I'll leave a link in the description. I am now using the hot glue gun to attach the polyurethane foam strips to the tunnel and the layout. To speed things up a bit, I have already completed applying the strips to the backside of the tunnel. Also, if you are wondering why I painted one side of the strips black, I did so simply so the strips would serve to help seal any possible light leaks into the tunnel. Now we're really getting close to having one of our tunnels completely installed. It is time to add the tunnel portals. As you can see, I am using my trusty glue gun to secure the first portal to the tunnel's entrance. Again, I've already marked the precise location for placement of the portal. I set steel 1, 2, 3 blocks in front of the portal to hold it in place while the glue dries. Now I will apply the same process to the second portal, and we are done. So with our tunnel project completed, I've got a unique view to share with you. To do that, I'm using my DJI Action 2 camera for the first time. I hope you'll enjoy the view. I would like to thank all of the subscribers for subscribing to the channel. Your interest in the OM&S is very much appreciated. I thank everyone for watching. I hope you will stay tuned because we have some mountains now to build. Until we meet again on the OM&S, please do take care. This is Bill B. Bye now.